Went down my pants. Damn. Are we gonna finish? Up my pants. Damn, funny. Damn. Yeah, that was a good piece of calm. Damn. Still good, it's still good. There's a little bit of dirt on it, still good.
10-second rule.
It's the devil's cut. Look, 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 come here, come here, come here, come here.
You got her?
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I'm right here. She's right there. Yeah, I got her.
You see her?
Yeah.
I don't know if I brought a queen cage with me, damn it. It's over. Game over, bitches! Do you know how much you cost me? How many stings to save your colony? Well worth it. Thank you, Father, for another one. Thank you for allowing me to survive so many stings today.
Dude, you can see them, dude. You're all red.
I got torn up trying to save her. And the entire colony. Once again, Father, thank you for this.
Thank you, Father, for giving me such a badass cousin.
Be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, folks, I'll put them in the box, do our thing. I'll probably take another take right now, so let me just go take care of her. Need a cage.